Hi there! Welcome to our 3-minute tutorial on how to create a QR code for check-ins and check-outs with Ubicode. Are you looking for a simple, scalable, and cost-effective way to track on-site check-ins? With Ubicode, you can create your first check-in point in just a few clicks and adapt it anytime without ever reprinting your QR code. Ready to see how easy it is? Let's start. Step 1. Go to the Ubicode website. Go to app.ubicode.com. Then log in or create an account. You get 100 free credits when you first sign up, which is plenty to test Ubicode's QR codes. Now let's move on to step 2, create an interface. Click on Interfaces on the left side of the menu, then click on Create. Select Track On-Site Attendance and then Single Choice. You can customize the text displayed on screen to show your team what they're expected to do with this page. For example, please select an option. You can change the names and colors of the buttons, and you can add more buttons. This interface is entirely customizable at all times. Once you're happy with your interface, click Create and your interface will be ready to use. Step 3. Assign PIN codes to your team. Once your interface is created, you're going to click on PIN codes lists and then on Create. Creating PIN code lists allows you to link PIN numbers to different members of your team and know who's checking in or out. Click on the PIN code button to add your PIN codes manually. You can assign any PIN number you want to your team members and change them whenever you want. Whenever your team checks in and out, they will have to type their designated PIN code. If they type an incorrect PIN code, it will be flagged. This is how you ensure your check-ins and outs are reliable. You can also import a CSV file if you already own a PIN code list. Once you're done creating your PIN code list, click on Create and your list will be ready to use. To link your PIN code list to your interface, click on Forms, then on the interface you created, then go to Advanced Parameters. In the Associate a List drop-down menu, select the list you just created, then simply click on Update. Now that our interface is created, let's move on to Step 4, create a tracker. Creating a tracker helps you link the form you just created to a specific QR code. To begin, click on Trackers on the menu on the left. Then, click on the plus code button. Give a name to your tracker. Then, select the interface we created in the Forms drop-down menu. You can also assign a site, a dispatch to send data to your favorite tool, and a group to your tracker. Click on Create, and you're good to go. Now that we have our setup ready, let's check that everything works as planned. That's our last step. Test your QR code. With the help of a smartphone, scan the QR code and click on the link. Select an option and type one of the PIN codes we just created. The PIN code will be verified in real time. Congratulations! You just created your first check-in point with QR codes. Did you know? You can collect your Ubicode check-in data in real time and send it automatically to Google Sheets. We'll explain how to do so in the next tutorial, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions or would like to get a quote, don't hesitate to send us an email or visit our website. See you on the next tutorial.